Hey gang, Poppy here. This is a quick addendum to my last video where I unboxed a set of drill bits and was talking about Walmart.com. Those drill bits arrived Saturday. Sunday evening, I received a suspicious email purporting to be from my bank saying, "Your account is limited. If you, someone in Dominica with a Linux machine had tried to access my bank account." Now, Walmart.com, that's who I ordered the drill bits through, and they're sort of doing a eBay kind of thing where they have all kinds of sellers that list through them. Well, you got to be careful who you buy shit from. Just because it's at the Walmart.com site doesn't mean you're dealing with Walmart. And two, it doesn't necessarily mean you're dealing with someone reputable. The seller listed in the ad at Walmart.com was Lili, that's Lili, and those drills disappeared. The page for the search came up at Walmart.com, but that specific listing is gone. Now, Walmart requires you to log in with your email address. Froze up for a moment. Anyway, email Sunday evening. Your bank account is limited. Someone tried to secure spearfishing. Pretty sure that the actual 440 gig, pretty sure they didn't try and access my bank account. Considering they're in California, not in Dominica. I could be wrong. I don't know. But if you go to Walmart.com to buy something, be scrupulous at looking at the actual seller is. If it looks like a fly-by-night seller's name, it might be. So that is an important thing to remember. Anything you do online, someone else can get a hold of and try to spearfish your ass. Be careful. Know who you're dealing with. Good night from Cal. Stay safe. Get vaccinated. Wear a mask. 150 ago was fashion. Wear those cotton or gray gloves. They still nasty world full of all over the place. A nasty world all over